Hi, my name is Veronica, and I wanted to share with you what was the most valuable aspect of Peak Capital Trading Bootcamp, and that is by far the mentors. The mentors are available to teach, to share skills, to share their warnings, to share their journey, because they have made the mistakes, they have walked this walk already. So, what best way to start a clean day trading journey than to follow the footsteps of the ones who have done it already? They helped me build a 45-page trade book that reflects discipline, and it gives me the opportunity to execute it over and over again. I built the trade book alongside with experienced traders. They reviewed it, they critiqued me, and they helped me to become a better trader. If you've been trading for 10 years, if you've been trading for 2 years, this boot camp will benefit absolutely anybody that is interested in day trading. So if you have the discipline, if you have the psychology, and you're ready to execute the trade book that you build with these mentors, what are you waiting for? This is it.